shop is all cleaned up, and I'm going to pull this engine and tear it down and recheck it. It's not hard to do. I'm just a little upset that I have to do it, but I guess I can use this as a teaching and a learning experience for all my friends out there on YouTube. And the one nice thing is I've already got the plumbing all cut to match, and the exhaust set up, and all the electronics that I won't have to configure how to make them work. So I'm going to jack the engine up after I take the pipe off, and then I'll take the wheel off, prop the engine, or I think I'll prop underneath the frame. That's what I'll do. I'll prop underneath the frame, and well, before I do that, I'm gonna have to pull both the front and the back cases, and I'll pull the variator off and the starter and the belt. And on the other side, after I pull off the pipe right there, I will of course empty the fluid and everything, but I'll pull the rotor right there and let the bike be the base for all that. Then I wanted to try a new thing about how to put up a I'm going to put 2 of these car stands, one on each side right here, and going over the bike right there, and then run a piece of wood, like that piece of wood right there, across here, and see if I can use it to hold it. So this is just going to take me a little bit of work, and I'm kind of like, you know, yeah man, I got all the shop all cleaned up, and I haven't had it cleaned up in 8 years because I've been working in this absolute ball-breaking slave driving job where nothing is enough. You got to keep working 6 days, 7 days a week, and they still want you to work more. And the funny thing about that is 4 months after I quit, they closed the shop at 45 years. And I kind of think it's because I wasn't there.